Harry noises. Harry! Oh.
Have you licked your feet?
Not yet, actually. Oh my goodness, where did this come from? I swear it wasn't like this not long ago. Millie, what's this? Oh, Millie. It's snow? Millie's out in the snow, aren't you? Look at you getting snowed on. Are your toes cold? Oh, she says my toes are a bit cold, Mummy. I know it's inconvenient, but it is so pretty. Hi, little bitch. I'd put some seed out, but I think it would sink. Harry's roused himself from this pit. Wanna go out in the snow, Harry? He's not phased, are you? Oh, there's a way.
Oh my god.
That's really deep. Is that snow very deep? Really, look at your footprints. Oh my god. I can't believe how deep that is. There was like nothing in this yard this morning except the snow at the top, and now look at it. Wow.